Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Design. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Today I am presenting the different, amazing, incredible prefab home design ideas. In this video we discuss about and get the different guides and tips. For example, what are a prefab home and the pro and cons of prefab home, and why are you planning for prefab home and thinking to know before buying prefab homes. And what's the difference about the prefab home and other homes, and the different types of prefab home. All these things are discussed about in this video. Please keep watching till ends this video, and if you like this video you can subscribe my channel and share it. Let's start this videos tips and guides of prefab home. Actually, in this video, first of all, we know that about the prefab homes. Actually, the prefab homes, what do you think about when you hear the term prefab home? You might first think of a mobile home or a trailer, as they are sometimes called. And it is true that technically a mobile home is a type of prefabricated home, but modern prefab homes are so much more. So what exactly is a prefab home? A prefab home is a home that is entirely in a parts and manufactured off-sites and then transported to a property and assembled, if you like, different areas. Sometimes the entire homes may be built in one pieces in a factory, and other times parts of a home like wall panels and bathrooms boards are built in a factory and then assembled on a site. Here are different three common types of a prefab home: manufactured homes and the modular home kit homes also. And the pros and the cons of a prefab homes. The prefab homes pro, the very cheaper and the faster and customizable and durable. These all things is very important and very catching and the affordable. It's cheaper. Why it's the cheaper of prefab home, and why are prefers as compared to other home prefab home? Prefab homes are typically cheaper than the homes. Generally, contractor would build the pieces by the piece on a site. It is more efficient to build the pieces of a home in a factory setting. There is usually less waste and the workers are not at the mercy of the weather. It's very faster. Yeah, you can see that the system similar to the last pro, and the most of the home is built in a factory. Prefab home manufacturers can usually build an entire home kit in just a few weeks. And the customizables. The modern prefab home builders know that the clients want to be able to customize their homes instead of just getting the cookies and the cutters home. It's also durables. In the past, the modular and the mobile home have gotten the bad rap for being of a low quality and the less than durable. However, the times having changed, and it is the best not to judge all the modern prefab home in the same way. In fact, the most prefab home are just as durable as regular stick-built homes. Prefab home very amazing, and prefab home cons is the damage risk and the delivery limits and the limited options and the difference and the differing the standards among the manufacturers, and they can sometimes be more expensive. You still need a foundation and utility concessions. The 5 things to know before buying the prefab home. First thing is a time frame, and second thing is exact to pay more than just the base price. Prefab home come in all shapes and sizes available nowadays. You can customize your prefab home, and the modular home can have a bad raps. And the different types of a